Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to my small workstation. Okay, this video I'm going to show you how to replacing a battery for Lenovo X1 Carbon laptop. This is an old laptop, and the battery recently getting this is the one I took out, getting swelled, and it's bubbled up, and so my laptop start to bubble up. So that's I have decided to replace it. This is a simple video, and I don't see it's very technical, and I just hope it can save somebody with the same model a few bucks. And a quick disclaimer, and you're responsible for your own electricity safety or your own computer damage. Okay, this is just a hobby for fun, and if you want to do it, you're on your own, and this is just a reminder. I worked with the IT department for quite some time fixing computers. Now I'm not doing it anymore. I'm still doing this as a hobby, and it's always good to do some DIY project and save a few bucks. And this is what happens. And when the battery getting old, sometimes they just doing this. Yeah, it getting swelling. And the reason, I think the reason is because overcharge. I'm not sure, but whatever, it got to be replaced. This one, okay, that's step by step how we find the parts. Okay, first we'll look at the computer model. This is X1 Carbon right here, Lenovo brand name. And normally you're looking at you do a search, Google search, or you can directly search from Amazon. You're basically searching the battery for Lenovo X1 Carbon, and then that's probably sometimes not enough. Here I'm going to show you. You look at the back, you see normally there's a label. It's probably too small. I will write it down. You don't have to bother to look at the detail. I will write it down under my notes. You can check my notes later. All right. There is a part called type number. This number, and also there's serial number. Serial number is normally the SN number, right? Serial number. So serial number identify the individual laptop. If you go to the Lenovo website, you have a serial number. There's a place to checking that computer if still under warranty or not. Let's go by the serial number. This is like a R90KRD, something like a random number, right? The reason I'm mentioning this because if you have a newer computer, you want to try something, do yourself, make sure you check with the computer maker, give them a serial number, say, hey, I have this one, is that still under warranty or not? Normally 1 year or 2 year, a lot of computer you buy still under warranty. So you might not have to do it yourself. You can just call them up, say, hey, my battery have some things, maybe they send you a box, you can replace it, right, for free. But this one is already like more than 10 years old, so I won't bother, and it won't be under warranty anyway. So I'm looking back to how I look at the battery. This type number kind of important because this type number, type 2220FB, this one identifies the computer type. So that would help me to relate to I finding this battery model, right? Finding the right model for it. The battery sometimes they have a lot of a batch. They might not be. You see this number here, 41CB, whatever number they have here. It doesn't have to be identical, but the computer type number is important. Look at your shop. Whoever selling this one say, hey, you gotta match my type number. They're different. They're one model. This old called X1 Carbon, but they're different types. So this battery is good for the 20FB and 20FC. So that you gotta be careful on that. It might be works for you to get lucky, but why not? Just get it right in the first time, right? Okay, I will write this down on my notes. You don't have to do it on your own, okay? And okay, now that's good. Turn it back, and I already opened it up. And the way how to open it, basically over here. You have a small screwdriver. You can do it, right? You can do it. It's already just 3 on this side, 3 on that, 3 in the middle, 1 on top, 2 in the middle, and they are designed to stay there. You don't have to take them out. And some screws might getting old or something worn out. They might pop out. Just make sure you keep it. If you lose one or two, not a big deal. For me, it's just don't lose all of them. All right. And now you'll see the back of the computer. Pretty much, this is a battery, right? Lithium battery, and then this is the part, and is it's not that complicated. Just a little bit careful doing it, right? Yeah, you just you don't have to know which part, the technical term. You're not in the business. You're not doing this kind of thing like me. You pretty much identify the parts. You got this one. This is this one. Okay, and then what else? There's just a few things you need to pay a little bit of attention. You should be fine. And you see, look at the surrounding parts. There's a line down here, right? This look like you don't have to. This line connect to this like the speaker, right? It look like the system board. There's audio line go to that speaker. Probably. If you don't know, it doesn't matter, right? You just this seems on your way. You're gonna take it out, and there's a screws in the center. You need to take them out. And there are two screws down there. Looks close to them, but it doesn't matter. Even you take them out, it just doesn't help you. You put them back, right? There's two down there. This is for holding the speakers. There's two screws. You don't have to take them out. If you're on your way, you can do it. Try it. Won't hurt. So this one here, this little thing here, on your way. So you just slowly. I'm using a kind of plastic pin. I forget where I found this, but it's pretty handy. You can do with a screwdriver too, and I like this plastic. Seems pretty handy down there and it's pretty sharp. Just slightly pull them out and try. You can use your finger, but sometimes I would just try to be clean. And yeah, you don't want sweating this one. So just slowly pull them out. This is a new battery. I just did it, so I don't want to do it again. So excuse me on this. I just slowly wipe them out. There are a few things holding it. Just do it slowly. Take this line away, and then take the screw out. And there's another thing here. This is a main connector. Go to the system board in here. Okay. Yeah, just like that. And it wasn't that hard to see this part. This side cover a little bit, doesn't have anything. Just pretty much just this one in the center, right? Just this one in the center. So, and you can. This is plastic parts cover up. You can rip them off and put them back. Right? It's just the glue sticks there. So, and if you look at it here, you can see this look like that. There's a little bit bend here just to make sure they fit on. It's not left and right. It's not go left and right. It's not go front and back. It's go up and down. It's pretty much just this thing, just this connector, just a seat on top, from top to bottom. You just put them there, slightly pushing them down. Slowly find the position. It feels, you don't hear something, but you definitely feel a click or something like that. And then they see tight, and then this part, just make sure this part end here nicely. You follow the same track, right? Yeah, it won't go wrong, right? And if you feel like you might forget where to put things back, use your iPhone, use your phone, take a picture. When you're doing it, take a few more pictures, so you always have have your mind clear. Okay, this you look at the picture later on, just in case, you always know where to put things back. So that's pretty much, I put it back. I don't want to, sorry about that. Maybe you want me to see step by step. I won't do it. Just that I don't want to just trouble again. Just the kind of the line here a little bit, take some time to put them back, to line them up, and pretty solid right now. You can just like this. It's good. This one can go. Recycle it, and then put things back, and like that. And you hear kind of I feel a little bit of click down there, yeah. And then just put the screws back like this, and then back, turn on, and that's it. Yep, power on, light. Okay. Cool, pretty good. All right, thank you for staying with me, and if you have any ideas, recommendations, feel free to drop a note. Thank you very much.